isa sa sinabi ninyo yung employment generation because sabi po ninyo, they have created thousands of jobs. Sinabi po nyo kanina yun.
Yes, sir. TESA companies in general po, sir. Right
Wala pa
now,
po
we
akong
have
tanong
408 economic zones and 4,564 companies and 1.6 million directly employed Filipinos.
Ma'am, magkakahirapan po tayo kung hindi tayo nagkakaintindi. Yun lang po
Ms.
tanong
Plaza,
ko.
excuse me, no? Ms. Plaza, can you listen to the question first before you speak? Huwag ho kayo sasagot na hindi ho kayo tinatanong, please.
Kasi
Just wait for the question before you answer, please.
questions.
Ilan pong mga trabaho ang na-create na ng Big Dipper? Mamula po nung siya'y marehistro sa
As
PESA.
Our record will say